On behalf of all the Standard BioTools team, I really want to welcome you to this 2024 CyTOF Summit. It's going to be holding quite an exciting day of very interesting talks from many of our customers worldwide.
So much better than we were a couple of years ago, and yet we're not done. We'll keep going until we're the very best company in the industry.
Really nice to see everyone again and to network and also share experiences and knowledge as well. So that's really nice.